Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of messy backgrounds in your photos and videos, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring the best apps to blur backgrounds on both iPhone and Android devices in 2025. This is perfect for social media pros, photographers, or anyone wanting that professional look without fancy gear. Let's dive in. First up, for iPhone users, Apple's built-in portrait mode in the camera app is still a game changer. It uses advanced AI to automatically blur backgrounds while keeping your subject sharp, ideal for portraits and selfies. But if you want more control, check out YouCam Perfect. This app lets you manually adjust blur intensity, add filters, and even remove blemishes. It's user-friendly and free with in-app purchases. Another favorite is Facetune, which goes beyond blurring by offering AI-powered editing tools to refine your images effortlessly. Now, switching to Android, Google Photos is a must-have. Its Magic Eraser feature, enhanced in 2025, can intelligently blur or remove backgrounds with just a few taps. For dedicated blurring, try the Auto Blur Background app. It uses machine learning to detect edges and apply professional-grade blurs, making it great for beginners. And don't overlook Background Eraser, which combines blurring with object removal for versatile edits. When choosing an app, consider factors like ease of use, processing speed, and compatibility with your device's camera. Most of these apps are free to download from the App Store or Google Play, but premium features might require a subscription. Pro tip: always edit in good lighting for the best results. There you have it, the top apps to elevate your photos in 2025. Give them a try and see the difference yourself. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your favorite app in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.